Hey guys, I'd like to first of all begin by thanking you for purchasing the Rewards Xpress script. As you know, this is a WordPress script and some of you may be unfamiliar with WordPress, so I'm going to give you a basic overview today of how the backend works and some of its main features and how it relates to the front end of the website, which you see right here, which will be what your customers see when they get to your website. So this is our demo site, givemegiftcard.com. And we need to get into the backend to make any edits or changes. So in order to do so, it's going to be your site URL, in this case givemegiftcard.com/wp-admin. Once you enter that in, it's going to take you to the WordPress page, as you see here. And on the left side at the bottom, you're going to see the Rewards Xpress tab. Once you click on this, it's going to drop down all of the menus and options for the Rewards Xpress theme. And first of all, we have the category section. In this section, you're going to create categories for your various products. Of course, in this case, it is gift cards, but it can be whatever you decide your niche market to be. Okay, so as you can see here, you can add a new product, and it's going to give you the options to add images and add a description. You choose a file image and a name, upload it, and then it's going to display back here on the previous page. This page on the front end of the website, it's going to display as your offer page, and for here it's gift card. So as you can see, the two categories are here. Once you click on any of the major categories, you then get the products from the subcategories, as you see here, which would be a $15 gift card and $25 gift card. Back in the back end, this is customized by going to the product section. And in the product section, you can then add new items. You're going to select a category from your previously defined categories. It's going to give it a name, a description, and you're going to choose the image file. And here in the point section, you're going to determine however much you want this product to be sold for in the point system. You go ahead and you hit add item, and as we previously looked at, it's going to appear in your offer page. Next, we're going to go to the purchases section. In the purchases section is going to hold all of your customer information, which will be their username, the items that they've purchased, any notes, their email address, status, the date, and any actions that they may have taken. So it gives you an organized way of managing your entire customer base. Moving on from there, we go to the user section. And in the user section, you can look up specific users to find their activity. So you can just type up any username, and if they're available, of course, it's going to display out here. Next is the CPA lead section. And this right here is where you're going to get the widget from CPA lead, which will be covered in a different chapter. Once you have generated your widget script, you're going to just paste it in here, hit save, and on the front end of the script, it is going to appear under the earn coins section. So let's go ahead and click on it. And this would be your CPA lead widget right here. So you can go ahead and your customers will click on it, and it will go through the entire survey process, and of course credit you automatically once the surveys are completed. Going back to the back end for a second here, we then go to the offers tab. And the offers tab allows you to add offers from additional CPA networks, not just CPA lead. and these offers are displayed right here. These are the ones that we have entered. And going back to the front end, we go to the offers page, and as you can see here, the test offers are listed out with the same values that were on the previous screen: the categories, descriptions, points, and everything else that your customers are going to need in order to start the other surveys on these CPA websites. Finally, we go to the front end profile, and this is a list of shortcodes, as you'll see. So these shortcodes can be simply typed into a blank WordPress page, and what these will do is will give you fields that will allow your users to edit their profiles, and that page can be seen right here on the edit profile section. And these shortcodes right here, they pretty much explain what they're gonna enable on the front end of the website. So as you can see here, the customer can enter first name, last name, any excuse me, any websites, and the AIM IDs and everything. And that's basically it. So I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Of course, if you do have any comments or questions, we can always be reached. Just shoot us a quick email, and questions will usually be responded to within the 24-hour period. Thanks a lot.